6 on the Powerball. 59 total winners, and Foo is at the top. No, it isn't. If you thought that I was joking when I said that I failed. I just gotta wait for an answer now. I don't know when they're gonna give it to me, either tomorrow or next week, or maybe in the middle of March. I say don't stand correctly like this. I do, actually. Pookie Bear. Bets are closed. How do the rules say I have to stand, Skyline? How about you come in here and correct me? Maybe show me? You know, double hosting. Could be fun. Why don't we have that anymore? Relax, could be fun to do with me, don't you think? 10 on the Powerball. 71 winner. I wasn't here when that was a thing, but I know that there used to be such a thing, or maybe in other countries there is. You could like check. You have Google in front of you. Years ago. What was the purpose of it? Like, is there just too much to do? And it's like fun for people to hear. Oh, but it would be so fun. Imagine you're like hosting with some friend or a lover, and you just have amazing like banter or conversations, or like, oh, I would like that. Let's go. Yeah, I guess so. 2x. Then at least like, okay, imagine the other person wasn't there with the, you know, the jungle game. 9 on the Powerball. 66 voters, like the little dude. It was an actual person. That would be so fun. I heard something like there was either April's Fool's Day or something when they turned off the CGI for the little guy in the jungle, and an actual guy wore the outfit. Are you trying to like convince me now with these facts? Okay, let's just entertain the idea that, you know, you have some. Do you join a lot of tables? And why? And if no one, just me, then why me? 3 on the Powerball. 68 total winners. Congrats, betting time's yours. Yes, you. You know, I'm still very unconvinced about you. But on the other side, you sometimes say a few things that are convincing. Yeah, that's it, Namba. That's what I was trying to say. It's just I cannot really mention other games directly. That's closed. Right. So I say the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Okay, like right now? Bets are closed. So you're just like a professional gambler. Also, you said something about like what you usually wear. I don't think that people like you usually have a dress code. As far as I know, they don't. 10 on the Powerball. 59 total winners. Congratulations, Lava at the top. Betting time is yours. Oh, well, I'm assuming you cannot really come in with sweats or something. I wish. You can come elegant. What's elegant to you? What kind of drip do you like, guys? Do you care about fashion? Do you care about how you look? No sweats? No, you can be elegant in sweats as well. Just gotta be good at fashion. Okay, delicious. Double jeans? Like jeans upon jeans? How bad are you, like, down bad? 4 on the PowerPoint. 17 years. Congratulations, betting 10 scores. It's our open okay, which blue though? Because if it's like the striking blue, the synthetic, nah. If it's like dark, deep sea blue, yes, because it gives quality. And if it's like washed white-ish jeans, also yes. Black jeans, no. White jeans, also no. Like, those are not natural colors for jeans, you know? But best advice from the world 5X to you guys who are very, okay, never mind. 6 on the marble. Just try out something that's not 60 tough winners, congrats. And not skinny jeans. I promise it will elevate your fashion. Maybe you're already doing that. But this is like the, what do you call it? Like, unasked for opinion type thing. You're hungry, Skyline? What am I supposed to do about it? Bets are closed. Do you want me to like make you a sandwich or something? Yeah, skinny jeans is awful, awful. That's one of the only trends I wish to never come back.